Hello, so today we're going to begin with summarizing and visualizing, more so visualizing and then summarizing regression data. So one of the first things I'm going to do is library stat file poly package, okay, and I'm going to run that, and then what I'm going to now do is use the scatter plot function. And so since it's already copied and pasted, no need to go through the struggle. I'm just gonna highlight a couple things to you as you're doing this. So I'm using the King County data set, of course. You're gonna have to set your explanatory variable as your X variable. Your Y variable is going to be your response variable, and you're able to change the color of the point in the line, at least the points in the line. And then your main title is going to be whatever you like it to be. I'm just going to call it scatter plot for today, or scatter plot of gain weight versus birth weight. Okay, so then we just run that line. Takes a little bit, and then we get a scatter plot. Okay, so that's quite nice. All right, so this is a nice way for you to visualize the relationship between two quantitative variables. As you can see, I specified the explanatory variable should always be on your X, and your response variable should always be on your Y. And so in terms of issues that may arise when it comes to running analysis or running any kind of analysis, I just want to do a quick review, is to be able to actually know the kind of variables that you're dealing with and what kind of variables that you're dealing with. So if you do str, okay, I mentioned this earlier, if you do str of your data set or your data frame, you're able to at least know what kind of variables you're dealing with. So where it says factors, those are going to be essentially categories, and where it says int, those are going to be quantitative. So that's a nice little trick for you to remember. Last but not least, for you to summarize this data, the functionality to summarize this data is going to be summarize linear reg. And so when you do that, you have your data frame, your explanatory variable, and your response. And when you run that, you get your sample size. You get your mean of your explanatory variable. You get the standard deviation of your explanatory variable. You get the mean of your response variable, standard deviation of your response variable, and then finally the correlation between your response variable and your explanatory variable. So that's great. So have fun practicing.